Good morning, welcome to day 2. Where are we off, Benji?
We're off swimming this morning.
We are, which is why I'm in yesterday's t-shirt. And we've got our flip-flops and Crocs on. My mum's behind me. Our child has run off ahead because he's excited. Swimming's free. How long do we get?
1 hour. You get a 60-minute slot, which you pre-book in advance. So we've got today and Thursday.
Because today's Tuesday.
Today's Tuesday. It's day 2 and day 4.
I hate swimming as well, just the faffing about. But yes, weather looks very nice today.
Compared to yesterday when it was really sunny.
Oh God, yeah. Right, yesterday.
Sorry, yesterday was really rainy, but so sunny I can't see.
Oh, left my mother behind, there she is. Yes, that's why hair doesn't look done, don't look done, but it's actually, what, 24 it's supposed to be today. So I just want to sit out on the balcony in the sunshine, but we'll get the swimming part done first.
That's what was a cloud. It's either coming in or going out.
Key opens a banana. A monkey!
Oh, nice.
Funny.
So we're back from swimming. It's about, what, 12:30? I'm knackered then. I feel like I did a full body workout. No, not back. Ben's making cheese sandwiches, like grilled cheese sandwiches,
That's yummy!
which look amazing. There's Mum's. How was swimming?
Good, really good.
You like it, yeah?
Yeah.
Why?
Me and Daddy went under the water together. Daddy had no goggles.
Yeah.
I did. So he had to close his eyes.
Nice. There it said cheese sandwich. Look at
Be
that.
careful, it's hot. It's grilled cheese, actually.
Sorry, grilled cheese. Luckily, Ben's a good chef person.
Wish I had some, like, Liam
He
Perrins.
worked at a thingy.
Worcester sauce goes nice on it.
That's really
I
nice.
feel really bloated and, like, large.
You are not bloated or large.
No.
But yeah,
If
I
Caravan
feel...
fans are rocking, it's because Ben's are walking.
How?
What are you up to?
Did you drop it?
Badminton. How are you doing with the badminton?
A little hard.
Okay. That's more like golf.
No, you can do that.
It's the strangest badminton I've ever seen. Anyway, this is how we're spending the afternoon. Sun's out, it's lovely. What are you up to, Mum?
Hello, turn that.
Having a cup of tea.
Point.
I've got some wine. Just chilling on the...
Look what he's doing.
Is this booked under your name or my name?
I think it's booked under your name. Not our name. Where are we, Ben?
We're at the activity centre. Little man is doing like some dart board football thing. Kick the football on the dart board and it should stick.
Football thing.
That's their mother-in-law. She got it back to us. She doesn't want to talk to us.
Yeah, my mum has given up talking to us today.
She got it back.
What's that over there?
So
That's
you
reception.
might not be able to see it through here. So effectively, you've got to kick the giant ball onto the big wheel. So it's 45 minutes. It's 12 quid. 12 quid for someone to just come and kick a ball at a big hole, dartboard thing. Which currently, being 5 minutes into this, seems like a waste of money. But there we go. Arcade seems like a Thursday thing.
Yeah, or tomorrow night. Unless you're going to the thingy. What do you want, Steve? Steve, what do you want?
So it's Tuesday afternoon on day 2. What are we up to, Mum?
Having a lemonade. The pub.
Where are we, Ben?
We're outside and in the park.
for obvious reasons, can't show the park, but behind Mum is the outdoor pool. And the child is in there. We've got some beers. Mum's got a lemonade. It's lovely and sunny.
It's nice and sunny. Enjoy it.
How was tonight's sausage pasta meal?
Very nice. Thank you.
Yes, so we had sausage pasta, which me and Ben made, it was really lovely, and we sat outside in the sunshine. It's been so hot today that I'm a little bit red, as you might see from my forehead. And then we kind of stayed in tonight. We could have gone to the entertainment, but just couldn't be bothered, and it's really hot as well. So we've spent the evening just chilling out, watching Old School Who Wants to Be a Millionaire with the duvet and some wine. And that's been the end of day 2. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.